Hey everyone, it's Mel and welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'll be showing you guys how I do my DIY hot oil treatment as my pre-poo. So here are the benefits of avocado oil. It effectively detangles your hair, so it will make it easier for you to finger detangle your hair. Avocado oil also eliminates dandruff and dry scalp, and it also provides moisture to your hair. It penetrates through your hair and scalp without leaving your hair greasy or stiff. Next, I'm using this grapeseed oil that I got from Aldi. The benefits of grapeseed oil is that it strengthens your hair, reduces hair loss. The minerals, proteins, and vitamin E that is in grapeseed oil helps grow your hair longer, and it also retains moisture. Castor oil contains natural compounds that promote hair growth. Castor oil also reduces hair loss, so the castor oil will protect your existing hair follicles, keeping them from shedding too quickly. Castor oil also helps in moisturizing and thickening your hair. And lastly, castor oil reduces frizz. So very last minute, I decided to go ahead and add olive oil to my hot oil treatment DIY. The benefits of olive oil is that it nourishes your scalp, conditions your hair, and it also improves the elasticity of your hair. And olive oil is also perfect for the winter months, as our hair is more prone to dryness. So basically, after putting all the oils together or mixing all the oils together, I'm going to go ahead and shake this bottle up. So here what I'm doing is just adding hot water to my coffee mug. And then I'm going to go ahead and put my bottle of oils into the hot water and allow it to sit there for about 5 minutes. So the first thing I'm doing here is just finger detangling my hair in each section. So I already started with the back of my hair and the other side, so I'm just demonstrating to you guys what I do in the front of my hair. Normally when I do my hot oil treatment, it's serving as a pre-poo, and what I'm doing is I'm just applying the hot oil to the ends of my hair first. Since the end of our hair is the oldest part of our hair, we want to go ahead and treat it first, and then I add the oil to the rest of my hair follicles and my scalp. And I just continue this process in that one section, and that's what I did throughout the rest of my hair. I then go in with my Vanity Planet Rejuvenating Scalp Massager, and I basically just massage my entire scalp. Basically, what the scalp massager does is it increases blood circulation to your follicles on your scalp, which then stimulates hair growth.
Nobody gonna hear you. It's gonna be a voiceover.
So off camera, I went ahead and did Bantu knots to keep the ends of my hair closer to my scalp so that way it could stay warm. And I'm gonna go ahead and put on a shower cap. And after I put on my shower cap, I'm gonna go ahead and put on my headscarf. And then I'm gonna go in with this, I don't even know what it's called, y'all. I can't even remember. Microfiber hair wrap. I'm not sure if that's the right name. And I'm only putting this on my head so that way I don't get no oil on my bed or on my sheets. So it's the next morning and I went ahead and washed out my pre-poo, which was the hot oils. And this is what my hair looks like. It's very shiny. It felt super duper soft, and my ends didn't look brittle or anything like that, and that's what I'm showing here. And that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you guys so very much for watching this video. Be sure to follow me on my social media platforms. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And until next time, peace.